You want to eat? He's telling me a story. Yeah? It's a funny story? Yeah, of course it is. I'm telling it. You're going to be that storyteller that tries to tell people things to get out of trouble. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep. Here. Say ah. Gunner, open your mouth. Open it long enough to eat and then you can finish the story. Don't you spit that out. Swallow it and then you can talk to me. Anything else you gotta say before we do the next bite? I love you. I love you, Mama. You are saying that. We just don't understand you yet, huh? Yes. Hey, see you later. Say, see you later. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.